but I got a few of them ahead of him.
Including me. He already said I can bring mine.
And that's a pretty color, isn't it?
I wish it was never cold.
Okay, I'm gonna go to the car. Sure, bear. Spin the middle of it. Spin the middle of the wheel.
Where?
Spin the cat. The middle.
Right here?
In the wheel.
You want to know when can he bring him?
I mean, he can bring them anytime. Really.
You can bring him anytime. That's just when you can start on.
So that I won't need to spin like that?
What's that, Tess? What's that right there?
Grown man.
Oh, okay. Ooh. We just out here.
Gotta put that money up underneath there.
You want them to see this?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right.
That's them heads.
He ain't got nothing to hide, y'all. In an undisclosed location. Look at this big motherfucker right here, though. God damn. Ooh. Oh, excuse me. I don't know.
When you see a bunch of lights, don't walk towards it. Walk away. You know what I'm saying? Walk away. Walk away from the lights. Don't walk into. I know they told you you're young, walk to the light. That's not till you like 87.
Don't pay attention to whatever they're talking about in the background.
Walk away from the lights, nigga.
Current situation there, Ride Clean installing this serpentine setup. Y'all be sure to subscribe to the official Ride Clean Customs YouTube channel. Are those AFR heads? Yeah, they are. We're making progress, riders.
Hey, look, man, the motherfucking goddamn, the pulleys got center caps, man.
Center caps on the pulleys. Violets.
Cover up all of all them nuts and stuff. Make it like a little. Yeah.
R.I.P. Dolph on the Bluetooth, by the way, man. We rocking, man.
We see that.
All chrome. CBF. She's a beaut. She's a beaut. Another day at Ride Clean Customs, man.
We working at the house today. This ain't the shop. This the house.
Everything brand new, fresh out the box. Go to the rubber.
It's gonna be like this for the whole summer. I didn't ask for it. She just gave me her number. Invited her over. It turned into a slumber. town. Then I dipped her down. She hated me back then. Now she love me now. I got posse in the rear. I can make it figure right. To this day, I don't know why these niggas hate. Why they cashing out you can't say.
Boy. Another day at Ride Clean Customs. Rose Gold Red. Ride Clean. Another day. Another dollar. It's all love. We appreciate all the love. This rose gold thing just made me feel some type of way every time I see it. I am not gonna lie about that. Ride Clean, we just put a monster motor in this Monte Carlo. Small block, air 4 heads. That's all you need to know. Woo! Ride Clean Customs, man. He's feeling it. He's feeling it in the Monte Carlo, ladies and gentlemen. We might have some action. Let's see what he gonna do. Oh, he's being humble. Damn. Got the LS Monte fresh motor. Small block with a whole lot of goodies. With a whole lot of goodies. We might have some action, ladies and gentlemen. We might have some action this afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Might have to save this for Tire Friday. I don't know. Okay. 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 Ride Clean. Ride Clean. Okay. Okay. Got us a runner, ladies and gentlemen.